Hey guys, it's Justine, and it is the holiday season, and one of the things that so many of you guys have requested is to bring back some baking videos. If you guys are new here and you've never seen some of my cooking videos, there is an arsenal of cooking videos that range from disaster to decadent. So if you want to check those out, there is plenty of content to watch. But this is a very special episode because today we're gonna be making Grinch Rice Krispie balls. They're super cute, they look super easy to make. I'm hoping I don't mess it up. I thought we would start off the cooking videos weaning our way back into it with something easy. Before we get into the baking, I am doing a really fun holiday giveaway and I'm calling it Vlogmas. So you can check out iJustine.com/vlogmas for all of the ways to enter. So every day this week, I'm gonna be announcing a new product and something that you guys can win. So I'm so hyped about this. There will also be a special code in this video. It's gonna be a secret code word, which I'm gonna give you at some point that you'll be able to enter to redeem some extra entries. So I'm a little bit nervous. I haven't baked anything in a long time. I've made Rice Krispie treats in the past, so we've got this little recipe, but then we add some food dye to make it green, and you add a little heart to make it like the Grinch. I don't remember the Grinch story. Did his heart grow too big or too small? He didn't have one. He had small heart and then grew to be big heart. And this is actually kind of funny. So my little niece, she's 3, she saw the Grinch for the first time and she called him the Christmas frog. So now anytime we see the Grinch, we call him the Christmas frog. So we're gonna be making some Grinch/Christmas frog Rice Krispie treats. So, okay, oh God, okay. So the first thing I need to do, butter. We need to melt the butter in a pan. I'm pretty sure I can handle that. Step 1, melt the butter. All right, butter, in you go. Now the thing that I know about melting butter is you don't want to melt it too fast because I've had some tragedies in the past. So we want a nice low heat. Oh, it's already melting. I wasn't prepared for this. That's happening. This is happening all very fast. I'm gonna turn it down just a little bit. Now I also need to add some green food coloring to the butter to make it Christmas Froggy Grinch. I think I might wait until it's melted a little bit better. Here we go. I hope this works. It's like a weird, it's looking a little chunky. I wonder if this is, oh wow. This looks like Christmas vomit. Yeah, it's working. Look at that, it's working. It's working. I'll just put more in. Maybe I shouldn't have got the gel food coloring. It is what it is. It's green. I think this looks good. It's a little chunky, but that's okay. Now we need to get our marshmallows prepped. We've got little teeny tiny mallows. These are so cute. So we need to get 8 cups of this. Yeah, 8 cups. Okay, 8 cups. That looks like some squished insects that we just kind of put into a pan. Look at that, can you see it? Okay. How many cups are in here? Okay, I'm not doing that math. 2.5, 4, 5, 7, 8. I think I should have just put the whole bag. Like, that's fine. But why did we bother? Now, these directions are so confusing because it tells me to like dump it in here, but then it also says put it on a medium heat. So I don't know, I'm just gonna dump this in here and we're gonna just hope this works. Yeah, I'm probably gonna have to use the stove, I think. Maybe I just put this in the microwave and just, you know, like skip a couple steps. That is not mixed so well. I think we're gonna have to put these over heat. This is what happens when you take shortcuts in life. Oh, I don't know, man. Hey, look, it's Nathan, everybody. You wanna say hi? Say hi. Hi. You say hi, Nathan. Look who it is. All right. That looks great. This looks really great. This makes me so happy. The green is very sus. Maybe I'll add some more. That looks great. Okay, let's go. Let's mix it in. This is working out nice. I feel like we need more green though. I'm not happy with the color, but it's all blending in so nice now. It's really turning another corner. Just like the Grinch, I couldn't remember which way his heart was growing. I mean, I don't want to call it a success yet, get too ahead of myself. I feel like this is melted. I'm pretty happy with this. We're gonna take this off the heat. Like something smells like it's burning and I'm not sure. Like, is it me? Is it my body? 8 cups of Rice Krispies. I'm just gonna dump this all in. We're just gonna do it. It does say gently fold. We're just gonna dump it all in. There's no time for gentle. There's no time for folding. Stir the pot. I feel like a witch that's stirring my cauldron. I see why they said gently fold. My arm's tired. I'm gonna give myself another blood clot. What'd you do this time, Justine? I was stirring Rice Krispie treats. I am sweating in my Microsoft sweater. I'm pretty proud. Like, I think this looks great. Like, the green looks very nice. It's a nice consistency. I mean, I definitely feel like I've seen this consistency and color from my dog's butthole before. I'm not proud of it, but this is something we're doing. Look at that. This looks great. I think we're good. So we've got our little hearts here. These are so cute. So we're gonna press these into the balls. Definitely not something I thought I was gonna be doing today. But here we are. Oh, it's hot. Oh. It feels so weird. Oh, we have a problem. We have a severe problem. Okay, maybe I get a little more butter on the fingies. I don't know. I just really gotta. Okay, well, I think that it needs to cool a little bit. There's one. I think it has to cool a little bit. I think it's real warm. It's warm on my fingies. This feels like when I go to the spa and they do like the paraffin wax, but yet it's butter and marshmallow. Oh, a Christmas fail. No, we got this. We're gonna make this into something. Come on. You could do this. You got this. I can't even get any of it off of my hands. Okay. We'll try again. Go to your home. Go to your home. Go to your home! This is where you belong! Like, this is wild. I'm gonna let this cool for a little bit because I don't think that this is not workable. This is not happening. So we're gonna give you a minute. Think about what you've done. Okay, so I'm letting this cool off camera. We transferred it to this bowl to hopefully help this along. So here we go, round 2. Let's get all buttered up. Here we go. Okay, this already feels like a much better consistency. I think we might have a success. I think also maybe I don't full palm it. I just kind of, make like a little snowball action. Look at that, look at that. This is better, this is happening. Okay, we gotta put the heart in. We can't forget. There we go, look at that. Let's put one onto our pile here. Okay, that one is a little sus. Okay, he's a little lopsided, but that's okay. There you are. Okay, this is actually working really well. Get a little more butter. Look at that, I can actually touch it. Okay, things are looking up now. Here we go, little heart going in. Look at that, it's so cute. Oh, look at that, it's so sweet. I'm gonna make a big one this time. Let's just get in there. Because the Grinch, his heart grew, in case you didn't know. So this is big, big Grinch heart. This is like softball size. We're gonna put a couple extra hearts in here just because we can do whatever we want. That's the joy of being an adult. Nice! Okay, we're gonna make one more. This one is gonna be the biggest one ever. So really this is a preference, like whatever size you wanna make, it's totally up to you. Now we're getting more into like small, like child-sized basketball. Okay, let's put some more hearts in here. And look what we have made. This is so cute. Ta-da! Look at that. This is all ready for like your Christmas party. Like this is a great disaster. Like this is a perfect thing that you could make for your Christmas party. Like if I had these laid out for my guests, I think they would be super into it. Especially this one, like look at that. Like if you get this one, like you're not going home hungry. You're going home with a bellyache. Put some extra hearts in there. And there we have it. Here is our final result. I think they turned out really well. Honestly, I think that this is something that if you were to make these for a holiday party, actually even Halloween maybe, because it is kind of a little festive thing. You could put like eyeballs or something inside of them. I think these turned out great. I'm sure all of my guests will be very excited about my presentation, of course. The only thing left to do is a taste test. I mean, it's delicious. Wow. Wow, decadent. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. And like I mentioned at the beginning, if you guys want to get more information about the giveaway all this week, check out iJustine.com/vlogmas. And I hope that you guys caught that secret code that was somewhere in this video. If you guys didn't, I guess you're gonna have to rewatch it or read the comments. Okay, I will see you guys in the next video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and hit the bell to be notified when I post new videos. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.